Preparing for a first date involves focusing on three main areas: looking your best, being charming and kind, and respecting boundaries. Start by ensuring good hygiene. Shower thoroughly. Style your clean hair appropriately without excessive product. Apply makeup minimally if desired, and make sure your nails are clipped and neat with only a small amount of fragrance used. For the date itself, wear clean, appropriate clothes for the venue. Maintain good posture to project confidence, and put your phone away to show engagement. In conversation, make consistent eye contact and listen closely, asking genuine questions about your date's interest and hobbies, while avoiding sensitive subjects like politics or previous relationships. When complimenting your date, focus on their personality, intelligence, or humor, keeping compliments genuine and moderate. 2 or 3 throughout the date is plenty, and avoid any backhanded remarks or sexual comments.